Come today to show you how to line the inside of an envelope so that it's not plain if you're using, say, one-sided designer paper or digital paper. This one here is digital paper and it's from ARTYmaze's A Winter's Tale. It's one of her new kits. I will link that below. So I will get started. You can use any papers you like, but obviously because I'm working in that journal, I thought I would share this with you. So I'm using my envelope punch board, and I'm going to do exactly the same as the one I've just shown you, and it's this paper here measures 8 by 8, I think. Let me see, could be, might not even be that, I might not have cut it properly. 8 by 8. So on the punch board, it tells you here for your 8 by 8 papers you score it at 1 1/8 punch and score. So now I've got to try and get my arm around the tripod, and I didn't take the scorer out. So then you punch it and score it, then you take it round and you find the score line again, and I think it's there, it's quite hard to see in this paper, and then you punch and score and you go all the way around following your score line and score, and the final one and score, so it's easier to see it on this side. So set that out of the way a sec. Right, so I'm just gonna fold that up, fold the sides in, and get rid of them little bits. On this bit I like to fold that over so that we haven't got that peak in the middle. I'm not keen on that peak in the middle, so I do that and then I fold it in. Then I get my glue, which is probably, the lid's been off it for ages, so it's probably all clogged up. When I say ages, about 3 days. And just put a little bit of glue in there to put that down. Now you can go around at this point and ink up everywhere if you wish to, but I'm not gonna because it's just a tutorial. Right, then you find another piece of paper that you want to use in the middle, to decorate the inside. First of all, I'm just gonna round the corner here like so. Now you can go ahead at this point and actually glue it down, but I'm not going to just yet. I'm going to show you this because there is a little knack to doing this. So you would measure from your tip to the crease line, and on mine it says it's just over 4.5, so I cut a 4.5 inch square using some more digital paper from ARTYmaze. Now what we do on here is you take that right to the 4.5 so that the line here is centre in the punch part like that, and you get a shape like that, and that's fine, you haven't messed up. Then you flip it round and do the opposite corner again at 4.5. Nope, 4.5, Yvonne, you just said that. 4.5, and that's just stuck. I must admit, see some of these punch boards and, sorry, I just shook all that. Now that's actually just, there we go, didn't actually punch. Sometimes it does that, and I do try and keep them. I'm quite annoyed now. Okay, you've got to try and slip that in again, right, to 4.5 and do it again. There we go, simples. Occasionally that happens with me. That and Martha Stewart punches, oh, not very happy with them. Then, sorry, shouldn't have put that away, I'm just gonna round the top. Now that would go up here. No, it's that side, sorry, tell lies, I punched the wrong side. So no, that way. Really messed this one up, haven't I? But that's real life for you. Anyway, So that would kind of go on there. So I'm going to open that back out. Sorry, open that back out. And this little peak here and this little peak here is just slightly over this crease line. So what you do is you only glue, just pretend there's a line there, you only glue the top. You don't do the bottom, just do a little bit there and there for it to adhere down, and then you would line that up again just like so, because if you glued it all down, when you go to fold that down, that lifts up. Alright, so what you would do now is, I can't get my scoreboard on here, but I would normally put this on my scoreboard and score it, but I'm just going to crease it with my hand on here. I ain't got no room to get my scoreboard up here, and then just fold, use the bond folder, sorry, and crease that down. So that is not attached, but the top half is. Then you would glue your sides, pop that down, and there you have it, your envelope that has been lined. So that's 2 that I've made. This is not my idea. I used to do this years ago when I made cards, and I thought it was a Stampin' Up demonstrator, and if I can find her video I will share that with you, but I did used to do that a long time ago. So easy peasy lemon squeezy, and it saves it just being plain on the inside, and you can do it, like I say, you can use any papers you like. I mean, even if you just wanted to do white envelopes with a nice pretty lining inside, or some coffee dyed envelopes and just put something, I don't know, like some vintage music paper or anything like that. So that's that. Hope it's helpful. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.